To check moon phase easily from your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra lock screen, you have to add the moon phase widget to your lock screen. To do so, long tap on an empty area on your home screen, and then tap Wallpaper and Style. Tap the lock screen thumbnail. Here you can see a widget bar just below the clock. It may show add widget or already have widget. Tap the bar to show up the widget list. Scroll down the widget list. Tap weather and then select moon phase widget to add it to the widget bar. Tap done button to save the change. To see the result, go to your lock screen. As you can see, the moon phase widget is now displayed under the clock and showing the moon phase information. With this widget, you can quickly access to lunar information right from your lock screen. It's especially useful if you follow lunar calendars, enjoy astronomy, or just like keeping track of moon phase for cultural, spiritual, or planning reason. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.